Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Google Pixel Buds. Now you can pick these up from Google. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $180. Now they come in 4 different colors. You got clearly white, also orange, quite mint, and almost black. Alright, so let's go through all of the specs. Now these are IPX4 sweat and water resistant. You got Bluetooth version 5.0. You're getting 12mm dynamic speakers with passive noise reduction. No noise cancellation. Now you're getting 5 hours worth of battery on a single charge with an additional 19 hours using the charging case. So that's a total of 24 hours battery. Now you're getting fast charge, 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours worth of playtime. You got USB Type-C charging and you also got wireless charging. Now you get touch capacitive controls and automatic play and pause when you take off the earbuds and put them back on. Alright, so all of that for $180. Let's see what it is. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to answer 3 questions. Number 1, are these worth $180? Number 2, which ones do I like better? The Pixel Buds or the Apple AirPods? And number 3, which ones do I like better? The Google Pixel Buds or the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus? Now, my prediction, this is not an answer, just my prediction, is the Galaxy Buds Plus are going to be the best, but let's find out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, she got the day off. All right, here we go. Google Pixel Buds, $180. Ladies and gentlemen, late but still great. White Shoes is back in the building. White Shoes, calm down. All right, now I'm not going to dock you because you're only 1 minute late. All right, here we go. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. Got the tiger tooth. Rah. Here we go. Google Pixel Buds. $180. 4 different color choices. All right, so you got a nice presentation alert. Nice white box. I like that. Giggity. Inside, this is going to be your Pixel Buds case. File that. Okay, so you got some different size ear tips. All right, so you got to play with these and get the right fit. This is going to be your USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Now, this is a pretty long charging cable, which I like. I hate when earbuds come with that little short cable, like the Powerbeats Pro. This is nice. Nice long cable. And, of course, got your usual books and shit. Pluck them and file them to the side. Now, for the Pixel Buds themselves, here's the charging case. Okay, nice and small. Open these up. You got a little LED light. Another little LED light on the front. And on the back, let's see, got a little pairing button. Underneath, there's a USB Type-C charging slot. And that's pretty much it. Let's take these out. Now, here's how they're going to look. All right, Shoes, I need you to scoot. Here's how they're going to look. You got a little Google logo on each one, little G. Left and right branding. Got your little mini wingtips. And that's pretty much it. Let's drop them back in the case. Let's see how easy that is to get in there. And lock them back up. Now, just for size comparison, here's the Pixel Buds. Here's the AirPods. All right, so the cases are pretty much the same size. And the Pixel Buds, Galaxy Buds Plus. Pixel Buds case is a little bit bigger, but they're all pretty much the same size. You can easily fit these in your pockets. All right, so let me grab a phone. We'll pair these up and we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, the first thing we got to check is wireless charging. Okay, so the light is on. Wireless charging is a go. All right, so next, let's check how strong the magnets are by doing the shake test. So first, we'll start with minimum shakage. Okay, no movement. Now let's increase to intermediate shakage. No movement. And let's go all the way to maximum shakage. Rah, rah, rah. No movement at all. So these are not going to fall out of the case. All right, so now let's check the pairing process. We got a Google Pixel right here. We're just going to open up the case. Okay, Pixel Buds just popped up. Says connecting. You can see for yourself. It's connecting right now. Now, this is my initial setup. Let's see how long these take. Now, on a side note, this is the first setup. So it should be faster once these are officially installed. Okay, we'll hit tap on these. All right, so let's download the app and then we'll finish the setup. All right, so now that the app is fully installed, let's check the connection process one more time. Open up the case. And there it is, Flossy's Pixel Buds. So we'll click on those. Let's take a look at the app. We'll hit connect. So I got 100% battery on the left earbud and on the right earbud, 92% on the case. Now you have your Google Assistant, you got Find Your Device, you got touch controls, so you can raise or lower the volume, play or pause, skip or reverse tracks, answer or end calls, and you have your Google notifications and your Google Assistant. Now you have adaptive sound. I'll leave that off for now. You got in-ear detection. We'll leave that on. That's automatic play and pause when you take off the earbuds. You got more settings. That's your tips and support, firmware update, about, email notifications, send feedback, safety and warranty regulations. Let's see. Now you got HD and AAC audio. All right, so we'll leave that on. You got phone calls. Leave that on also. Media audio. We'll leave that on. And you got contact sharing. So that's pretty much it for the app. All right, so I'm going to slap these in my ears and we'll check the fit and the comfortability factor. Okay, that's the right. That's the left. Let's get them nice and tight. Okay. Now, I will say this. You do hear a little bit of passive noise reduction. That's why I'm talking a little bit louder. Now, as far as the comfortability factor, they feel nice and snug. Let's do the head shake test. Let's start at minimum shakage. Okay, no movement. Intermediate shakage. Okay, no movement. And maximum shakage. Okay, no movement at all. So these would be perfect for the gym. Now, let me show you what they're going to look like when you're wearing them. Not bad at all. I think the black color would look nicer, but it is what it is. Now, on a side note, y'all see the Corona fro? It's getting out of hand. All right, so now for the most important test, how do these sound? So I got a classic queued up, Tears for Fears, Everybody Wants to Rule the World. We're going to start off at max volume, one tap for play and pause, and I promise y'all I'm not going to sing. All right, here we go. Birdman hands rubbing together. Let's get it on. Nice and loud. Okay, here we go. Woo! Oh, these sound crystal clear. Hold up, I might have to get my microphone for these. Hold up. Oh, I like these. Let's go. Welcome to your life. There's no turning back. Even while we sleep, we will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to rule the world. Let's go, Shoes. Woo! All right, hold up. One tap for play and pause. Okay. Now, I will say this. These sound crystal clear, balanced, and beautiful. But the one thing I'm noticing is I don't hear that much bass. So what I'm going to do is try some other songs that are bass heavy, and let's see that real quick. All right, so now I got a song that has a little bit more bass, Hot featuring Gunna by Young Thizzy. Let's try this out. Okay, here we go. Woo! I'm listening to that bass. Hold up. Oh, yes. All right, hold on a second. Let's hit pause. This is the perfect example of why a lot of times you can't take other people's words for stuff. You got to try stuff out for yourself. Now, I had a lot of people tell me that these headphones sound like shit. There's no bass at all. And that's a complete lie. All right. Now, these aren't the bass heaviest headphones in the world. I will say that. But the bass sounds balanced It sounds crystal clear. These sound excellent. All right, I got no complaints with the sound at all. Again, if you're looking for the most bass in the world, these ain't it. But if you want a nice balanced sound that's going to make you feel like you're actually hearing the song, check these out. All right, now I want to test one more song out, but so far, I'm impressed. All right, so next, let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them out and put them in a charging case? Okay, so the music is playing. Here we go. I'm going to take out the right, take out the left, fully disconnected. Put them back in. 1,000, 2 1,000. All right, 2 1,000s, and they're already connected. Music is playing in my ears. That's incredible. All right, so now let's check the touch controls. 1 tap for play and pause. Okay, no problems with that. Now, if you want to raise the volume, we're going to swipe forward. Okay, you see the volume going up. No problems. If you want to lower the volume, we're going to swipe backwards. Okay, volume going down. If you want to skip to the next song, let's double tap. Okay, no problems with that. If you want to reverse, triple tap. Okay, no problems with that. And if you want to talk to your Google Assistant, you're going to press and hold. What's the weather for today? Now, y'all can't see it, but it's saying the weather in my ears. This is a go. Next, let's do the range test. Now, I'm going to start off by walking to 30 feet, then 40 feet, all the way up to 50 feet. Now, these are Bluetooth 5.0, so there should be no drop connection. Here we go. Play the music. Let's start walking. Shoes, calm down. All right, this is 30 feet. This is 40 feet. 50 feet. Walking back. Okay. All right. Now I just walked all the way to 50 feet. No drop connection at all. Now when y'all hear that bang back there, that's my 50 feet marker. All right, so now let's check the call quality. Calling up Amaya. Here we go. Let's get max volume. That's ringing out of both ears. Yerp. Hi, girlie. What's up, hey? What you doing? All right, calm down. Check this out. Now I got you. I'm gonna do that later. I'm doing the video right now. I'm testing out some earbuds. How do I sound? Let me stop yelling. How do I sound? Do I sound good? Sound clear? You can hear me good? Yeah, you sound fine. I actually like these though. Nah, bro. Nah. All right. Let me finish this video and I'm gonna call you right back. Yo, I'm gonna call you right. Yo, bro. I need you to tone it down a little, all right? Because you at a 7. I need you to be at about a 3. All right, give me about 20 minutes. All right, one more thing. Bye. Okay. Sound quality in these, nice and loud, crystal clear, and you can hear the person out of both ears. I heard her fine, she heard me fine. All right, so now let's check for lag latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Now, I'm watching a YouTube video. No lip sync delay at all. This is perfect. This is how you want to watch your videos. All right, so now let's find out which earbuds sound the best. The Galaxy Buds Plus, the Pixel Buds, or the AirPods. All right, so I just did some thorough testing. I used a bunch of different songs, and then at the end, I took it back to one of my bass-heavy songs. And I got to be honest with y'all, the Galaxy Buds Plus sound the best. Right after that, the Google Pixel Buds, and then the AirPods. Now, I know somebody's going to say, what about the AirPod Pros? You can't compare noise-canceling earbuds to non-noise-canceling earbuds. So if it was my money and I had to choose out of these three earbuds, I would definitely go with the Galaxy Buds Plus. Now don't get me wrong, the Pixel Buds, they sound dope, but the Galaxy Buds Plus, they just sound a little bit better and they got more bass. Alright, so now let me answer those three questions. Number one, are the Pixel Buds worth $180? And the answer is yes. Now, if it was up to me, I'd rather pay $150 and have them on par with the Galaxy Buds Plus and with the AirPods, but I'm not going to say $180 is overpriced because it's quality over quantity. The build quality in this charging case is excellent. You're going to love this smooth matte feel to it. It definitely feels premium. The IPX4 sweat and water resistant, so you can rock these to the gym. You're getting 5 hours worth of battery on a single charge, plus an additional 19 hours with the charging case. So that's a total of 24 hours. You got quick charge. All right, so charge them up for 10 minutes. Listen to your music for 2 hours. No lag when you're watching your videos. The call quality is excellent. You can use either earbud independently while the other one is charging up. But the most important feature of these earbuds is the sound quality. The sound quality on these is excellent. Beautiful balanced sound, nice highs and mids, and a nice clean bass line. Not to mention, if you got a Google Pixel, the integration between the Pixel Buds and the Pixel is flawless. Next, which ones do I like better? The Pixel Buds or the Galaxy Buds Plus? In my opinion, I like the Galaxy Buds Plus better. You got more functionality with the app, and these have more bass. And lastly, which ones do I like better? The Pixel Buds or the AirPods? And for me, it's a no-brainer. These sound 100 times better than AirPods. They almost sound as good as the Galaxy Buds Plus, just missing a little bit of bass. Anyway, Google Pixel Buds, on a scale of 1 to 10, these are a major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.